Hi everybody. This is a rear upper control arm for a 2006 Chevy Malibu that I picked up on Amazon for about $40. So let's open it up and see what comes inside. So it's the whole control arm assembly with the bushings already pressed in. When these bushings wear out, you'll get a clunking noise will develop in the back of the car. On this particular car, this will be used in the right rear position. So there you have it, upper control arm for a Chevy Malibu. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.